My dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Irfan Rashid says Assalamu alaikum to your good selves. The topic of my today's short lecture is that the interference of America, NATO towards this region of Pakistan, India, Indo-Pak, where so many interests of America, NATO, Russia, China, and other countries evolves. The most farsighted leaders of democratic countries have become to realize that the policies of tension and aggravation have become hopeless and dangerous for national integrity. As you know that CPEC between China and Pakistan was running within this region. Meanwhile, the relations of Pakistan and Afghanistan became worse due to America, NATO, and the interests of these superpowers. Pakistan should avoid to interlink any foreign interest and see towards itself. The superpowers rivalries are not favorable to our Pakistan. Pakistan became into independence on August 14, 1947. There are above 5,000 water dams in India, and electricity energy is there very cheap, and more than 10,000 dams exist in China, which became into existence after 1 year of Pakistan. This situation is not positive, and the superpowers want to keep Pakistan into such controversial situation where it may not exist, it may not get any positive progress. Whenever progressive steps are being taken by any elected positive government of Pakistan, the leader of that government, such like Liaquat Ali Khan, Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mohtarma Fatima Jinnah, Liaquat Ali Khan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Shahid, Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto Shahid, her two brothers, Murtaza Bhutto, Shahnawaz Bhutto, were killed and were set aside. And now, Mr. Imran Khan, when he won election of Pakistan Parliament with sufficient majority, after 3 years and 6 months, his government was dissolved by a cipher issued by America. This cipher, this interference played a very negative role in progress of Pakistan. Whenever we are independent and have our own constitution, and we have our ancestors had given so many sacrifices, they left their lands, cultural lands, animals, and so many wealth, and given their sacrifices while fighting against Hindus, Britishers, Sikhs at that time, and got this Pakistan, for which Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal had delivered his khutbah at Allahabad and put a map for Pakistan. And Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Maulvi Fadlullah, and Liaquat Ali Khan, Maulana Shabir Ahmad Usmani, Moinullah, Digar, so many other leaders worked hard for independence of our Pakistan. If we see in the past, when Warsaw Pact was incommenced and there was NATO bloc, the balance of power in world was somewhat in favor of Pakistan and Muslim countries. But after abolition and finishing was pact by Russians, NATO became one superpower, and its interference in Pakistan's integral affairs have deteriorated our political situation also. We must avoid, and we should give handover the government to the majority party which won